This is going to be a little brain break for you. We're going to do some Yogarate. So, if you're listening, hands in the air. If you're listening, touch your nose. If you're listening, touch your knees. If you're listening, touch your toes. You're not touching your toes. Should we be doing head, shoulders, knees, and toes to practice a little bit? I'm just teasing. All right, so we're going to do a little bit of stretching. So I like the way you're standing up. I like the way you're standing up. I love the way you're standing up. Do I want you sitting or standing? All right, use a little behavior mastery there. So let's start by warming up our head a little bit, and let's roll our neck around. And we're going to go the other way just like that. And we're going to go back and forth. Awesome. And we're just going to rock our necks back and forth just like this, like a little knot thing going back and forth. All right, keep going, nice. Okay, everybody look up in the air. We're going to do some baby birds. So you're going to pretend like Mama Bird is feeding us some food, and we're going to go like this. We're going to go, and we're going to work our sternocleidomastoid muscles right here. Everybody go, and if you do this enough, it's going to pull all the neck stuff backwards, so you get rid of this little gobble neck thing. Oh, now you're interested. One more time. Just like that. Awesome. All right, ready? And we're going to start going like this. Roll our shoulders forward and roll our shoulders back, and let's go for a swim. This is called silly stretching. Everybody swim, and everybody say, hi, seahorse. Hi, seahorse. Everybody say, hi, SpongeBob. Hi, SpongeBob. Everyone say, hi, Patrick. Hi, Patrick. Hi, SpongeBob. All right, everyone, keep going. Oh, there's a shark. Everybody swim. There's a shark in front of you. Swim faster, swim faster, swim faster. Go backwards, go backwards, go backwards. Get those shoulders moving, everybody. We're going to take off and fly. Whoosh. Fly this way. Whoosh. Fly this way. Whoosh. All right, everybody, superhero landing. Whoosh. Nice job. All right, let's stretch our chest a little bit. And arms out like this, palms out. Give yourself a nice hug. If you love ice cream, say, I love you, ice cream. I love you, ice cream. And palms out. If you love pizza, say, I love you, pizza. I love you, pizza. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to hug ourselves. We're going to give ourselves an energy hug. So everybody take your hands, put them like this. Rub your hands together, rub your hands together, rub your hands together. Feel that friction. Feel that heat. Feel the vibrations in your hands. Now cup your hands and pull your hands apart. Pull your hands apart just like that. Feel what you feel in your hands. Do you feel a tingling? Do you feel a movement or a sensation going back and forth? Keep going. Pull your hands apart just like that. If you don't feel something between your hands, let's try it again. Rub your hands together, rub your hands together, rub your hands together. And pull your hands apart. Pull your hands apart. Pull your hands apart. Feel that energy in between your hands. Pull the energy apart even more. Give yourself a hug. Everyone say, I love you, me. Oh, that's nice. Let's rub our hands together. Rub our hands together. Rub our hands together. Pull your hands apart like that. Now we're going to give our belly a hug. We're going to give our inner child a hug. Everyone say, I love you, belly. Everyone say, I love you, little one. Awesome. And let's stretch over our side body over here. Everybody, we're going to go this way. Everyone say, ha, ha, ha. Awesome. And everyone say, hee, hee, hee. And everyone say, ho, ho, ho. What are you, a bunch of Santa Clauses? I think one of you owes me a train. Everybody go, hoo, hoo, hoo. What are you, a bunch of owls? I don't give a hoot. All right, next thing that we're going to do is we're going to do some stretching for our hamstrings. If you ever have any lower back pain, sometimes it might be because your hamstrings are too tight or your glutissimus maximus cardassianus needs to be stretched out. So we're going to peck for some chick seeds like a bunch of chickens. Everybody go like this. Go, bugger! Come on, everyone. You're early childhood educators. You should have your animal sounds down. Go, bugger! Nice, and we're going to peck for some seeds like a bunch of chickens. Everybody go peck, 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 and you're going to feel your hamstrings loosely, gently, just opening back and forth. Now we're going to become monkeys. Everyone go, hoo, 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 hoo. Nice, and we're going to pick some bananas like a bunch of monkeys. Everybody go pick, 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 and as you're stretching, feel your ribs and feel everything else move, and then we're going to keep on pecking and picking. Everybody go peck, 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 pick, 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 peck, 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 pick, 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 peck, 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 pick, 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 peck, 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 pick, pick, pick. Ew, why are you picking your noses? That's disgusting. Flick it. Boing! You know the rule of noses, right? You can pick your friends, and you can pick your nose, but you can't pick your friend's nose without permission. All right, let's keep on going with the stretching. Ready? Put your feet together a little bit or a little wider apart, whatever's comfortable for you. We're going to do some knee circles. We're going to stretch out our ACL. We're going to stretch out our PCL. We're going to stretch out our MC hammer. Can't touch us. All right, flashbacks. Okay, ready? Everyone, knee circles just like this. And knee circles the other way, and you're going to feel this moving around. You may feel a little cracking or crinkling in your knees. And now what we're going to do is we're going to make our knee circles bigger. Everybody move your knees around like this. Let me hear everybody do a yow yow. Come on, I want you to do it. Try it. Do it. Do it. Do yow yow. Nice. Okay, now we're gonna do little knee circles. In fact, we're gonna do mini knee circles. They're mini knee circles. They're 1/8 the size of knee circles. So everyone ready? Breathe in. Put your hands on your knees and go. Awesome. Last thing we're gonna do, warm up our ankles. Ready? Because you're chasing after kids. I don't want you to be that person that if you don't have strong ankles and you're walking like this and all of a sudden you sprain your ankle and you look around behind you for the nothing that you tripped on. Are you that person? We don't want that to happen. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna start balancing on one leg. Ready? Pick a leg. Let's go with the left leg. Balance on the left leg. Bring your knee up. 10 seconds. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you felt a little wobbly, we're going to do something different. This time, instead of balancing on your left foot, I want you to drum on your right foot, and actually the right knee. The higher that you drum, the higher your knee comes up, and the faster. Watch, ready? Start drumming, start drumming, start drumming, start drumming, start drumming, faster, faster. Drumming your leg till it gets faster, 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 and putting the foot down. Which one did you balance better? Do you notice you balanced the second time better? Why? Because just like when you're waiting tables, they tell you don't look at the dishes. They don't want you to think about possibly making a mistake. So when you focus on your ankle and balancing, you could make a mistake. So what are you going to do? Are you going to focus on the positive in life, or are you going to focus on what could negatively possibly go wrong? That's up to you. Let's drum on the other leg. Ready? Drumming, 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 Def Leppard drumming. Anybody get that? All right, put that down. He's got one arm. Some people say he's a little disgruntled about it, he's a little upset. I just met the guy about him a couple of years ago. He was real nice, armless, all good. All right, cool. So next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna start moving our bodies a little bit more by getting rid of some pain. So instead of rocking our necks back and forth, we're actually going to have a seat. So if you were standing, have a seat. If you were sitting, then stay sitting. And we're gonna go just like this over here. Awesome. And what we're going to do is we're going to stretch our neck out to alleviate some of our pain. So everybody, what I want you to do is just drop your head over just like this. Now normally what we do is we grab onto our head and we pull, but I don't want you to do that. We're going to do a little John Travolta staying alive action. So ready? What you're going to do is you tilt your head over this way just like this, and then you take your opposite arm and you point 45 degrees in that direction. So you're actually contracting the muscle over here instead of stretching it. Then what you're going to do is you're going to point 45 degrees in that direction. And the more that you point, the more you're going to feel a stretch through your neck. So keep going. You may want to feel like you're going to pull your head over this way, but try not to, and just point and breathe in and point and breathe in and point. Awesome. Let's do the other side. Everybody head over this way, and you're going to contract the muscle. And some of you, if you're lucky enough to have a nice layer of fat right over here to support your neck, good for you. If you have one of those jawline things, you're not going to be able to do it. Sorry, that's what happens when you eat healthy. All right, ready? And we're going to point 45 degrees that way, and you're going to point, and you're going to point, and you're going to feel a stretch in your neck, and breathe in, and breathe out, and point, and breathe in, and breathe out and point. One more time. Breathe in and breathe out and point. Just like that. Awesome. All right, let's loosen up our gluteus maximus cardaceus a little bit. We're going to cross one leg over. Put your leg over just like this if you can. If you can't do it, put your leg straight. And what you're going to do is just gently, hands up in the air. You can wave them like you just do care, because you do. And big belly breath in. And as you breathe out, you're going to just gently come down, and you're going to feel a tightness on the leg that's crossed over. What you're going to do is you just breathe. Pain is discomfort. Pain and discomfort are two different things. Pain is when you put your finger over a fire, your body tells you don't do it. Discomfort is when something feels a little uncomfortable, but if you tough it out for a little bit, you'll be able to achieve more. So what I want you to do is hands up in the air like this, and keep your leg folded over if you want to pull it more, and then just go like this and just hold it. And just hold it, and breathe in, and breathe out. And breathe in, and breathe out. Awesome. Now you're going to have your hands up like this. We're going to go over this direction. Breathe in, and let your body fold over, and breathe out. And breathe in, and breathe out. One more time. Breathe in, and breathe out. Nice. We're going to come up this way. If you want to even get a better stretch, I invite you to close your eyes so that your mind doesn't tell you where you think you're going to stop. Hands up like this, go over this direction, and curl your body down and reach the best that you can. You may be feeling this in a different part of your sciatic area. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. One more, breathe in and breathe out. Awesome. All right, let's switch our legs and bring this other leg just like that. And same thing, big belly breath in, big belly breath out. Big belly breath in, big belly breath out. Awesome. And how's my hair? Am I having a good hair day? It's a little humid down here. And ready? Hands up like this. Big belly breath in. And we're just going to fold. And we're just going to fold. And we're just going to fold and try to hold it. And hold it and breathe in. And breathe out. And eyes open or eyes closed. Breathe in. And breathe out. Oh, nice. Just like this. Hands up in there. We're going to go this direction. Big belly breath in. And we're going to go down this way. And you're going to hold it. One side might be looser than the other. Breathe in. Breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. One more time, elbows up like this. Let's go this direction, and everybody breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Awesome. And then the last thing that we're going to do before we get back to our regularly scheduled programming is cold breathing. Everybody take your tongue, put it behind the back of your bottom teeth. Just like this, okay? So we're going to practice the Princess Bride test. Take your tongue, put it behind the back of your bottom teeth. Everybody say, love, true love is a magical experience. Awesome. Everybody say, Princess Buttercup. If you said it the way that I said it, then your tongue is in the proper position. Okay, so take your tongue behind the back of your bottom teeth. Now breathe in with your mouth. And breathe out. And breathe in. And breathe out. One more, breathe in and breathe out. And that cooling sensation that comes over your tongue will help your body calm down. I appreciate everyone for doing this brain break. In yoga, we say namaste. In karate, we say aya. And in Yogarate, ready? Be with me. Everyone, namaste.